Hi, Mike Love here at MarineMax Somers Point. Today we're going to be walking through the all-new 2024 Scout 215 XSF. So starting back here in the transom of the boat, you'll see that the boat is going to be powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. A great power option for this boat. Also can't really see because we got the wrap here, but this boat is in shark gray. It's also got the new V3 hull with the fast and efficient hull. In the back here, lots of seating for any guests. This is going to be a pull-out bench, nice and easy to pop out, and then totally flush when you push it back to allow lots of space for walking around if you're fishing or just entertaining. Back on the port side, you have your live well with raw water washdown inside. You'll notice the padded bolsters all up and down the boat. The entire boat is covered for fighting fish, nice and comfortable at your knees. You'll notice too, this is going to be the midnight edition, so it's going to have all these black finishes on the powder coat. So both the T-top, the hard top, and the rod holders are all going to have that black accent. Moving forward in the boat here, looking at the helm, you're going to have a 7-inch Garmin display for all your charts or vessel view or any other engine diagnostics. Digital throttle and shift on the Mercury throttle here, your Fusion head speaker for all of your music or radio controls, wireless charging as well for your phone, and a nice little pocket here to put any loose items. Moving up along the boat as well, you can see that the 215 is going to come with a completely finished head, so very spacious, lots of head space in there, very comfortable if you have anybody on board who needs to use the facilities or just use this as storage. Coming up to the bow of the boat, the 215 is going to have a very large lounger seat in the front, easily fit 2 people. It's also going to have the coffin box that's going to be insulated, so a very large storage compartment. This can also be used as a cooler or a large fish box. Ample seating all up along the bow. Lots of guests can fit up here. Removable backrest, so if you want to be fishing and take these cushions off, you can remove those, or if you're entertaining for guests, you have nice comfortable back rest. All around the boat, you're going to find lots of rod holders as well as cup holders for all your drinks and fishing needs. You're going to have the Fusion speakers for great audio out on the water. And other than that, a little limited in what we can do here with the shrink wrap, but again, this is Mike Love here at MarineMax Somers Point. We'd love to show you the 215 in person, or give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks, and see you out on the water. Bye.